In primetime news this evening, NWC lands captured by squatters in upscale St. Andrew community.
Portland fire, the worst parish disaster in decades. TVJ News visits the parish for the details.
And later, more concerns about medical waste pile up nearing crisis level. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, almost everywhere you go, you hear someone complaining about financial fraud. Well, the Bank of Jamaica has a possible solution. Find out more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jordan. He'll tell us what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jordan?
Herman, more details have emerged about the anti-doping rule violation case involving Jamaican athlete Christopher Taylor. But can the new details have an impact on the result of his hearing? We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
All right, so guys, we've been getting a little bit of rain here, a little bit of rain there, a little bit of rain, you know where I'm going, everywhere. Romain, what's to come in the weather report and forecast?
Thanks so much, Andrea. Yes, we have been having isolated showers across the island for the past few days, but the good news is that this week we are expected to get more. We're expecting widespread showers closer to the end of the week.
Thank you so much, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Do you think firefighters are adequately equipped to save lives and property in a fire? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.